Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Spotify password, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your Spotify password, begin by opening the Spotify app or website. If you're using the app, tap on Login. For the website, click on Login at the top right corner. Next, look for the Forgot Your Password link. Tap or click on this link to proceed. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Spotify account. Type in your email address and then click on Send. Check your email inbox for a message from Spotify. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and find the password reset link provided. Click on the link to navigate to the password reset page. You will be asked to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets Spotify's security requirements. Enter your new password in the designated field. Confirm your new password by typing it again. Once you have done this, click on Reset Password. Your password will now be reset. You can return to the app or website to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues, try rechecking the email address used during the reset process. That's it. You have successfully reset your Spotify password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.